Hey there, Pam Barnhill from PamBarnhill.com. I am so excited to be back at the Catholic Homeschool Conference this year. I'll be talking about the what, whys, and hows of a homeschool vision, and I can't wait to see you there.
Hi, my name is Arlena Brown, and I'll be speaking this year at the Catholic Homeschool Conference. Join me and hundreds of others. Hope to see you there.
Hello, my name is Vaughan, and I teach scripture and theology for Homeschool Connections, and I am so excited to both talk with you and learn with you at this year's 2023 Catholic Homeschool Conference.
Hello, my name is Emily Brown. I'm going to be speaking at the Catholic Homeschool Conference this June. Please come join me and hundreds of other Catholic homeschoolers for this incredibly supportive and encouraging experience. I'll see you there.
Hey there, I'm Olivia Spears, and I'm speaking at the Catholic Homeschool Conference all about catechizing through beauty. Would you join me and hundreds of other Catholic homeschoolers? I can't wait to see you there.
Hi there, my name is Paul Hyatt, and I'm going to be a speaker this year at the Catholic Homeschool Conference. I'm going to be talking about the joy of hand tool woodworking and my thoughts on craftsmanship. I look forward to seeing you all there.
Hi, I'm Sam Fatzinger. I have been married for 33 years. I have 14 children and 13 grandchildren, and I'm speaking at the Catholic Homeschool Conference. I hope you can join me and hundreds others there. Can't wait to see you. God bless.
Hello friends, it's Mike Creavey, theology instructor for Homeschool Connections. I'm so excited about this conference where I get to share with you all a little bit about wonder, what it is, and why it's so essential for all of our lives. Can't wait to see you there. Take care.
Hi, my name is Susan Sutcher, and I hope you can join us for the online Catholic Homeschooling Conference. I hope to encourage you with a talk about amateur homeschooling. See you then.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristi Moore, and I'm going to be speaking at the Catholic Homeschool Conference this summer. Please join me along with hundreds of other Catholic homeschool families. I look forward to seeing you there.
Hi, I'm Dave Palmer. I'm going to be one of the speakers at the upcoming Homeschool Conference talking about St. Thomas Aquinas and why all homeschool students should learn from the angelic doctor. I hope you will participate in the conference.
Hello, I'm Joseph Pearce. Please do join me at this year's Homeschool Connections Conference for my talk on poems every child should know. I look forward to seeing you. Goodbye and God bless.